I've got my uncustomized Fabfitfun box, or at least that's what I think it is, and it's pretty big. So I'm excited to see what's inside. How about you? Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room and Bandit's at home. But if you're new, thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I got this big box from Fabfitfun. I think it's the uncustomized box that I ordered, but I'm not 100% sure. So we're going to open it up and find out. Fabfitfun is a lifestyle subscription box, and you can get it annually, which means you pay for the membership for the year, or seasonally, which means you pay membership to, membership quarter to quarter, I guess, because it comes out quarterly. I do have a code down below that should work if you're paying quarterly. So if you just want to try it out one time, it should get you, I don't know, $10 or $15 off. And if you purchase it annually, I don't believe that works. It might, I just don't think so. I know when I first subscribed, it didn't work for me when I used somebody else's code. All right, so I got some more Ricola caramel flavor throat balm, so we're pretty good for the upcoming season. What else do I have? I have the woven throw blanket by Little Corboose, or Little Corboose by April Nemeth, and this is in that more, I don't know, more what's the color? More like a clay color, I would say. These also make great tablecloths. They're not real soft, so they're nice to look at. I don't know how comfy they are to, wrap around, but they also are a nice material for like a tablecloth. By Alex and Ani, we have the Emerald Flex Cup. So both of these items I have already gotten in boxes. It's really hard to even justify getting this box, but I decided to anyway. So there it is, absolutely lovely. This does expand or tighten depending upon what your needs are. By Silt, we have a pillow sleeve. So as you can see here, now I did get one of these, so I'm actually kind of excited to have gotten a second one. Standard size. On the back is more of a cotton, and it is just a sleeve. So if you were traveling, this is great. I just like it for the colors of my room, so I thought that might be nice. I would slip it on over a regular pillowcase, like a white pillowcase maybe. By Verb, we have the Ghost Prep Heat Protectant. This is a great product. I do use this. I have one that I'd gotten from a different subscription box that I have here at my mom's. I use it all the time prior to blow drying my hair, so this is a great product. By KVD is the Tattoo Liner. This is in black. I did already receive this, so I'm not going to try it out. I don't know where I put it right now, but here's what it looks like. And I don't want to open it up because it's going to start the life of it. I don't want to swatch it because I'm probably going to either gift this or put it in a giveaway. And then item number 6 is by Cuscio, and it is the Botanicals Hand and Body Wash. I did also get this, and it does smell very lovely. So everything in here I have already received, but this, I use this kind of stuff every day, so that will definitely get some use. The extra pillowcase is always nice. This is going to make a great gift or giveaway item, and the blanket will probably be gifted to one of my sisters. So if you're watching, claim it and that'll be yours. I know one of my 2 sisters does watch. Next, I have a mystery bundle. There are 4 items in here. This is a $39 purchase. It's supposed to have $100 or more value. The first thing looks like some reusable bags. It's a really pretty design. It's a set of 3, all the same size. Real pretty design though, like that. From Pursuit is the Clean Wave Daily Exfoliator Face Cleanser. Ooh, I like that. Sounds nice. Let's take a look at that. I do love a good exfoliator. Okay, I think they're giving these out like candy because, I don't know, they must have an abundance of them. This is the third one I've gotten, although this one is smaller than the other two. So this is by BKR, and it is a glass water bottle in silicone, and this is kind of in a, I don't know, maybe like a cream or nude color. And by Coach, we have, this says $68 on the back, and that's just because it's got the Coach name, I'm guessing, because I would not pay $68 for, it's not real gold, it's not, it's probably like some crystals. Yeah, I mean, they're pretty, but I'm probably not gonna wear them. So this is why I'm only getting one mystery bundle, because they kind of have gone downhill. They've gone up in price and down in quality. So yeah, but that is my, the uncustomized box I think is worth it. If I didn't already have all these products, but I do. But there were some things that I didn't get, and I was like, well, you know, you roll the dice, maybe you get a second set of glasses, maybe, you know, who knows. There are some useful things, though. I mean, there were some useful things in the mystery bundle, but I really have no use for a third one of these because it's glass. I like stainless steel. The other ones that I have of these are actually just go in the fridge to make tea. That's what I'm doing with it. This is even smaller. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to give that away. Probably won't put it in a giveaway because I don't want it to get broken. The earrings, I don't know, I'm just not into advertising for brands. So, you know, I guess if your first initial were C, that would be cute, right? My daughter's first initial is C, but she won't pierce her ears, so it's not going to work for her either. So maybe I'll put this in a giveaway. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.